Good morning students. Today we will do a very interesting poem that's Birdie Will You Pet, and it's written by W. Ellingham. In this poem you will learn what is good for you, whether freedom or luxury items. Now the choice is with you. You have to choose. Like you have to choose comfort like cars, like jewelry. Now so many things are there. And on the other hand, there are things for you like freedom. You can go wherever you want. You can enjoy the nature. Now luxury items or freedom, you have to choose one thing from these, and in this poem we will learn what the birdie will choose. Clear? And first of all, before we will start the poem, we will learn little bit about W. Ellingham. Now you can see here William Ellingham. W means William, and you can look picture over here. After this, now we will learn that he was born on 19 March 1824, and moreover he was Irish poet, diarist and editor. He produced excellent lyrical poetry and descriptive poetry. He published poems in 1850. His verse is clear, fresh and graceful, and other works are like modern poems, songs and blackberries, etc. And the most important work of William Ellingham was The Fairies. Clear? It's all about William Ellingham, his birth and which type of poet he was. Irish poet, and all which type of poetry, lyrical poetry was there, and when he published his poem in 1850, and the most important work was Fairies. After this, what was the message conveyed to us in this poem? The message of the poem Birdie Will You Pet is that freedom is the most valuable thing in this world. As I told you earlier, if two options are with you, one is freedom and other is luxury items, like you are having car, you are having AC, and on the other hand there is freedom. So the poet was saying that freedom is the most valuable thing. We can buy luxurious comforts with money. Clear? If you are having money, you can buy anything. But we cannot buy freedom with money. Can we buy? No. So we should prefer freedom instead of all sorts of luxurious comforts. Like earlier we were slave, freedom was not there. India got freedom in 1947. So we people know ki what's the value of freedom. So because we can't buy freedom, you know very well ki so many freedom fighters are there, and how we get this freedom. That's why poet was saying that we should prefer freedom instead of all sorts of luxurious comforts, because real fun is only in the life full of freedom and not in captivity. Captivity means whenever you are in cage, whenever you are bound somewhere. जब आप bound होते हो, you can't enjoy, but whenever you are free, you can freely enjoy your life. Clear? Now this poem is in the form of conversation, and it's conversation between a child and a birdie. You can look at the picture here. Birdie is here and child is here, and they are conversing. Now what the child was saying, birdie, birdie, will you pet? Pet means कि क्या मैं तुम्हें अपने पास रख सकती हूँ? Summer time is far away yet. He was saying कि summer is far, अभी दूर है. Then will you pet? Then what I will give you if I will pet you, na? What comforts I'll provide you? You will have silken quilts. You can look at the picture over here. Silken quilts are here, and a velvet bed. Velvet bed is also shown in the picture. Clear? And a pillow of satin for your head. And other thing was given to birdie was pillow of satin. For what? For your bed. Now see how the child is trying to give bribe to that birdie, so that she could pet that bird. Clear? She was giving silken quilts, velvet bed and moreover pillow of Sachin. Clear? Now after this, what birdie gave reply? Let's see. Bird. Now see. Now bird is, look at the picture. Bird is replying to the child. What the bird is saying? I had rather sleep in the ivy wall. Girl was saying कि I will give you velvet bed. So what bird is saying कि I had rather sleep in the ivy wall. Now you can hear ivy wall is here. Clear? No rain comes through though I hear it fall. Clear? Rain falls whenever, but still it protects that bird, and the bird can hear its sound. It's the bird want to enjoy its freedom. He wants to enjoy nature. And moreover, what other thing is saying? The sun peeps gay at dawn of day. Now look at here in this picture how sun is peeping means looking, किसी को जैसे झांक कर देखना है ना. तो गे एट dawn of day, जब अर्ली मॉर्निंग होती है, how the sun peeps. And I sing and wing away, away. And the bird is saying, I will sing, I can freely whenever the sun peeps and I am sitting in nature, so I can sing and wing away and away, and I can go anywhere. Away means दूर, ठीक है ना. Wing means birds can fly ना, so with wings he can go anywhere. He has no need to take permission. He has nothing, no boundaries here. He is free to go anywhere. So in these two paragraphs, child is here and bird is here. Child is offering so many things to bird so that she could pet that, but bird prefers its freedom. It's all up to here. In next video we will do next stanzas of this poem. Okay.